Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my 6th attempt making Korean food, and today in this video I'm going to be making Kimchijeon. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this pancake, so enjoy the video. And disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. Have you ever seen this trick on how to open a can? Anyways, enough of the talking, so just enjoy the video. Alright, so in honesty, I wasn't entirely sure how the pancakes were supposed to come out, if it was supposed to be crispy or fluffy, but mine came out as fluffy. This is something that you would probably grow on, or the taste is gonna grow on you. If you're familiar with kimchi, then you know how this is gonna taste. Thanks for watching. Bye!